Subscribe to our channel. Subscribe. It's a little shorter up. What did I do to it? I don't know. I must have worn it out. Oh, hey, back to the H&R Drone Racing shows, or show that you've tuned into. So I'm your host, Harry, and this is my good assistant, Richard. Okay, hi, but I don't really agree to those terms. I would kind of think that my other co-host. Co-hosted? That sounds weird. But anyway, welcome to our show, and we've got a great one lined up for you today. It's going to be one word, 2 words. Arnold Schwarzenegger. Is that what we're going to channel? Well, we're going to be pumping iron. No. We're going to be being the governor of California. No. Terminator. The robot. No, we're not going to perform the robot for you. I'm the robot. Beep beep. No. No, none of those things. It's before he was any of those things, he was a real estate agent. Yes, a real estate agent. But we're not going to do real estate agent. But we are going to be taking you with us on our journey to do real estate filming. So, come with us. Doesn't actually sound that exciting, but it will be when it will be an outtake of it. It will be. So, come and enjoy. And like, subscribe, tell your cousins and your twice-removed brother-in-law that you never talk to, maybe on, just once a year, maybe, to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks very much. Who else? And just anyone you meet. Like you meet a random person and go, hi, Carl. You do, what's your show? So, there you go. So, or John. And you go, you don't even know their names, you just go up to them and say, hey, Jane. Hey, here's link for H&R Drone Racing show, check it out. Go watch this. Yeah. There you go, much appreciated. Or some random barman that you meet. Tell them. Alright, put their phone in front of their face. Even if you look at it, you subscribe. Even if you don't go to a barman, you just turn it up to their place and go, hey, you see this phone? You like it. Alright. So anyway, like, subscribe and enjoy, come race with us. So we quite like making these videos. So we do. Yes, so it's quite cool. And that, because you know why? Why? Because you can do things that you wouldn't normally do. Yes, exactly. It sort of pushes you to do, push yourself to be better. Well, so and also because you're filming yourself the whole time, so you got to be on your A game. Exactly. It's not your B game. You have to be A game. A game. So in this one, we'll definitely be on A game because it is literally filming over some kind folks' property. Yes, and good friends of ours. Thank you very much. Very kind. And you got to be on your A game because you don't want to damage anything. So that's absolutely right. And also you're flying out over the water on this one, and super. Well, we're used to flying so close to the ground normally. In this case, we're actually flying quite high. So there you go. So come and enjoy. On this episode, we'll start in 3, 2, 1, go. That was loud. Maybe we're also slightly out of time, but that's not the point. Cool. Enjoy. You good? I'm gonna. I'll just keep it low. Yeah. But are we going out of the water? Not yet. No. I'll keep it out on the side. Okay, I'm locked on target now. Going back. Like I'll zoom in a bit, don't worry about it. Okay, ready? Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. You're stationary shot, ready? Yeah. Right.
Keep going, keep telling us. Keep telling us. How many? Right. Okay, which way are you going now, Richard? It seems funny that the film someone who's filming. Now what I do? Just come around, boost around, yeah, go back. And then you come back through those springs over there and do the same thing again. Okay, well go up where we haven't done before. I can't see you. And when you're out over the water, I see now. Okay, so go live. Slowly, thank you. Are you going towards us now? Okay. Okay, I can't see down there at all. Where am I racing to the front? Okay, you're on the other side of that tree. You go see us now. I should have come around and over the hill. Pretty much, no, you're correct. Okay, ready? Okay, plug it in.
2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 10,000, 10,000 more to go. And also 10,000 more subscribers to go.
Yeah.
But you're welcome to tell all your friends, your cousins, and your...
Baker, candlestick maker.
Yes, all of those people, and come like our channel. So, thanks very much. Subscribe. Now.
Hashtag.
Yes.
All those involved.
All those things. So, yes, thanks for watching to the end of the episode.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thanks for sticking with us.
Nice. Yes. So, and thanks very much to the people that allowed us to go and fly there. We didn't just...
we didn't jump the fence, no?
No, we
did ask.
Actually,
so remember to ask your parents, kids.
Yes.
If you're allowed to...
Do things.
Yeah.
Well, watch our show, you know. Ask your parents, ask your cousins, ask your...
Well, don't ask them, just tell them. This is what you're going to do. Hit that button.
Oh, I was meaning just to do those things. You know, you got to ask permission.
You mean if it's like questionable?
No, just in general. Just ask for any... ask permission for... can I go and brush my teeth? You have to ask permission, and then he has to ask. So your parents have to ask their parents, and
then they have to write like a letter, a formal note
to
of
someone,
invitation
to some random person, if they can do those things. So there
and
you
then
go.
they have to wait for the reply. It might take somewhere between 6 to 18 months for their reply.
Yes.
So it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen anytime soon.
But it will happen. No.
That's like because you're worth it.
And what it will happen? Hang on, that's
I think that's
Hunter. What's her name? Somebody Hunter.
Night of the Hunter. That
36 miles that reference, but I think I was thinking about the somebody.
I really want to sing. I don't know why I want to sing. Let's give them a ditty.
Ditty. A ballad.
A ballad. We'll call it a ballad.
What's that? So, thanks for watching to the end of the show, and stay tuned for the next episode, which will be coming out shortly.
So, are we going to do a sing a song?
Sing a song. Sing a song.
Sixpence. And then we'll sign out after that.
Yes, so, congratulations and salutations. And on that note,
thank you for the episode.
Thanks for watching.
The episode.
That's a horse.
That's a horse.
There's a horse going by. Yes.
Do you, as a side note, do you have that happen to your house? Yes. You just listen to like who's going past.
That was definitely a horse.
Yep.
So
100%.
Yes.
That was happening. We didn't set that up. By the way.
No. Just that. So
yeah. Sign out. Ready?
And 3, 2, 1, go.
That's not right. You adjust that.
Hopefully that. No, that horse is long gone. We won't scare him off. That sounded weird.
Oh, so okay. 3, 2, 1, go. That's better.